Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video.
Greetings everybody. Today we will take a look at the Great British Pound since the trading setup, the pattern that was forming recently has reached its logical point, and we currently need to prepare some update on the current view on the Great British Pound. But first I would like to say about the euro currency. Well, probably you remember the hand shoulders pattern that we have discussed yesterday on the 4-hour time frame chart. I will show you not this one chart, that one, an hourly chart. So you can see this market was really struggling and looks heavy here. We have discussed this yesterday, and we said that probably market won't be able to complete these hand shoulders, but you probably know the tragedy that has happened yesterday in France. So right now it's expected that it was the terrorist attack that's in the huge truck was driving directly in the crowd when the people on the Bastille Day just watching for the fireworks on the square, and it's approximately more than 80 people were killed. So this was really strong, was really dramatical day. And you can see that the reaction has fallen on the markets, and not on just on the euro currency, but on some other currencies as well, on the Australian dollar, and on the gold market, and on this terrorist attack. So you can see, and as a result, the market still was able on this really terrible event, has completed this ABCD pattern on the hand shoulders pattern and returned it back down here. So still, this will not change our view on the euro currency, because this action still looks very heavy. Maybe market will show some deeper retracement, but in general, it's really not bad chance that this market soon could turn down to the downside still. So we just keep watching. This should not harm us, since we said that do not take the short position until market will not erase this hand shoulders pattern. And that's why we have said don't take the short here until market will not break these lows and will not confirm that the failure of the hand shoulders. This hasn't happened. Market will continue to move to the neckline here, we said as well. So wait for, you could trade it here, but you should recognize the risk that you will take, since you're trying to anticipate the failure of the hand shoulders. So but on this very bad event, so you can see just we can't foresee this, and market has completed this pattern. So now we could say again that we need to wait for some real bearish signs for taking the short position. Probably it could happen soon, because overall action, guys, this is not the thrust, this is not the change of the trend. It's not really some choppy and sloppy action. So it's hardly, we could say that this is some reversal and upward continuation. Not yet. So this is mostly take a look at this as a retracement. So just keep watching. So now let's go back to the Great British Pound. On Great British Pound, guys, you probably remember that as all targets had been hit, major targets that we have on the monthly chart and the weekly chart, we said yes, market could take some relief, some technical relief, even on the bad events such as the Brexit could happen. Besides, as you know, yesterday the Bank of England hasn't cut the rate and keep rates unchanged. So this also has supported market a bit. As you can see, the British Pound shows this upward action on the current week. So right now it has reached daily overbought. So today we probably will not get any significant upward action. But in the perspective, we are not exclude that market still will show some higher action here and close the gap that has appeared after the Brexit has happened. And this is also the fib level, 136.40 area, approximately. We think that this could be in the first part of the retracement. After that, maybe market will form some kind of the ABCD action slightly higher to the weekly, to the monthly pivot. So we expect that retracement will be somewhere to this area. But major pattern that we are watching here is some kind of the ABCD pattern based on the breaks. We have decided to treat it as the volatility breakout on the weekly chart, because this is exceptional event and no such sort of the drop has happened since I don't know, it's for a decade probably. So if you will take a look at the charts of the 90s, you probably will see some stronger drop on the oscillator predictor on the trended oscillator, but in the recent probably I don't know 5 years, it definitely 5 years, more than the 250 bars on the weekly chart, we haven't seen this significant drop. That's why I think that we could treat it as a volatility breakout, and it is really good work. As a result, we are mostly watching for this pattern. So initial thrust down, retracement. Let's suggest that this will be somewhere in this area, and we will use the minor extension, not the 100%, not the 1618, but just 618. This is as it was on the gold market. 618. 618 will be somewhere in this area. So market could continue dropping depending on this retracement. It will be a bit higher, then correspondingly target will stand slightly closer. But let's suggest this will be somewhere in this area. So 126 area, this will be our target. So approximately 10 points, right from the 136 to the 126. It's not really small. It's not really small action, and it's worthy of our attention, I suppose. So that's what we are really watching here on the Great British Pound. But first, we get the first step, thrust down. Now we need to get the second one, is retracement. Now, this is our primary object. To watch for is the retracement depth. We should recognize the target of this retracement and then make the decision whether to go short or not on the cable. On the 4-hour time frame chart, you could see the pattern that we already have discussed, and we said that probably retracement will take the shape of the hand shoulders. That's really happening right now. So you can see this is the left shoulder, it's head. It stands at 127 on, 1618 on the shoulders. Very typical for the hand shoulders ratio, and it's very typical that the butterfly has become the part of this pattern. Now it stands on the road to the neckline. This is, guys, not the shoulder, because here market hasn't reached the neckline. This is, I think that this is the slope of the head. This market should complete this ABCD probably to the downside, and will close, and it's closed the gap. It's very interesting. It's an ABCD pattern that's now is forming. Once it will be completed, it will simultaneously close the gap on daily chart. After that, following this some kind of the shape of this pattern, market should show the deep retracement. This will be the right shoulder, I suppose. And final step will be this target, moving to the target of the hand shoulders pattern. At least theoretically, it looks as we have just described. How it will be in reality, well, probably some deviations could happen from our trading plan, but anyway, we are mostly interested in the final point of retracement, and it's not really important how definitely market will reach it, whether it will be the clear hand shoulders, maybe some other patterns or something of that sort. We will just watch for the 136 area, and there, as soon as we will get the reversal pattern or something, we will maybe take the short position and hope that we will make the trade on the volatility breakout on this larger pattern on the daily chart.